These English words are not what you think they mean. English can be tricky, especially with words that don't mean what they seem to at first glance. These often misunderstood words or false friends can lead to confusion in conversations and writing. Let's explore a few common examples and clarify their true meanings.
1. Ironic. What people think it means. Something that is funny or coincidental. What it actually means. A situation that is contrary to what was expected, often with an element of humor or tragedy. Example. It's ironic that the firefighter's house burned down. 2. Bemused. What people think it means, amused or entertained. What it actually means, confused or bewildered. Example. She looked bemused when the instructions made no sense. 3. Peruse. What people think it means, to skim or glance through something. What it actually means, to read or examine something thoroughly and carefully. Example. He perused the contract before signing it. 4. Disinterested. What people think it means, uninterested or bored. What it actually means, neutral or unbiased, without a vested interest. Example. A disinterested judge ensures fairness in the trial. 5. Literally. What people think it means, used for emphasis, even in non-literal situations. What it actually means, exactly as stated, without exaggeration or metaphor. Example. When he said the car broke down, he meant it literally, it stopped working in the middle of the road. 6. Infer. What people think it means, to imply or suggest something. What it actually means, to deduce or conclude information from evidence or reasoning. Example. Based on his tone, I inferred that he was upset. 7. Enormity. What people think it means, something large or enormous. What it actually means, extreme wickedness or a morally wrong act. Example. The enormity of the crime shocked everyone. 8. Nonplussed. What people think it means, calm, unbothered, or indifferent. What it actually means, extremely surprised, confused, or uncertain about how to react. Example. She was nonplussed by the unexpected announcement. 9. Ultimate. What people think it means, the best or most impressive. What it actually means, the last or final in a sequence. Example. The ultimate goal of the project is sustainability. 10. Travesty. What people think it means, a tragedy or disaster. What it actually means, a distorted or absurd imitation of something. Example. The poorly organized event was a travesty of the original plan. Why these words are confusing. Many of these words are misused because their incorrect meanings have become common in casual speech. Over time, these mistaken uses can feel natural, but knowing the true definitions helps ensure clarity and precision in communication. Final thought. English is full of surprises, and words often have nuanced meanings. Learning the correct definitions and contexts for these tricky terms can sharpen your language skills and prevent misunderstandings in conversations or writing.